Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. Today we're going to talk about spices and how to get best use out of them. So if you've got spices in the cupboard that have been there for a little bit, the best way to get the natural flavours back into those is different for different spices, okay? So you'll have your high grade spices here, which are the big chunky ones. All you need to do with those is pop them on a non-stick tray into the oven and heat them for a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes depending on the size and the amount that you have. Okay, those things are cinnamon, star anise, and other large items like that. Then you also have your medium grain spices that are still whole, but they're fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, any sort of seeds like that. All you need to do is get them in a non-stick pan on the stove for a few moments. You'll start to hear them cracking and popping and bouncing around the pan, and that's really good. Once you smell the fragrance coming from those, remove them before burning them, and they're good to go. You can either ground them down or pop them into what you're using them for. If you don't have a non-stick pan, that's fine. You can just use your normal stainless steel pan as well. It's preferably non-stick, but this one is good also. Now, for your ground spices, they just need a second, like 3 seconds into the pan because they burn quite easily, and you just want to open them up so they get nice and fragrant, so all those delicious flavors can come out of that.